Welcome to physics class. In this video, I am going to discuss refraction of light at curved surfaces. In my previous video, we discussed refraction of light at plane surfaces. There we have seen what is refractive index, what is rarer medium, what is denser medium, some other topics were discussed there. Now we will see refraction of light at curved surfaces. See here, I am drawing an arrow mark here like this. An arrow mark. Is it visible to you? Yes, I hope it is visible to you. Now you see the arrow mark through a glass slab. This is a glass slab. So now if you see, the position of the arrow mark is appearing as if it is little uplifted. Unna position kanna koddiga పైకి వచ్చినట్టు కనబడుతుంది మనకు. సో దిస్ షిఫ్ట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెండ్ డ్యూ టు ద రిఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ త్రూ ద ప్లేన్ సర్ఫేస్. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ద ప్లేన్ సర్ఫేస్. ఓకేనా, ద ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ అపియరింగ్ యాజ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్లైట్లీ అప్లిఫ్టెడ్, పైకి వచ్చినట్టు కనబడుతుంది మనకు. నౌ ద సేమ్ ఇమేజ్ లెట్ us see by taking the curved surfaces. See here I am taking a glass tumbler. Okay. And here I am taking an arrow mark. According to the size of the glass tumbler, I am taking the arrow mark. So now you try to see the image of this arrow mark. How is it appearing? It is appearing slightly diminished. Arrow mark size chinnaga kanapadutundi manaku. Now you see, and again you see through the glass. It is appearing slightly diminished. Because of what? Because the light rays are coming from the arrow mark and reaching to the glass surface, which is not plane, which is curved, and coming out. So when it is coming out due to refraction, this arrow mark is appearing smaller in size. The same arrow mark let us see by taking water as another medium. I'm taking some water image. So after taking water, let us see what happens. Right? Are you able to see the arrow mark now? The arrow mark. See, నేను చేయి జరిగినప్పుడు arrow mark ఎటు నుంచి వస్తుందో చూడండి. See the head of the arrow mark. Head of the arrow mark is appearing as if it is coming from there to here. So దీన్ని ఏమంటే మనం lateral inversion అంటాం. Lateral inversion అంటే left right గా కనబడడం, right left గా కనబడడం. If you write a word here, for example I am writing a word on, right? So you can see this word as n is this side and y is that side. Just like a mirror image it appears. I hope it is appearing to you. It is appearing like a mirror image, right? Or else you see from close. From close if you see, you can see arrow mark is opposite in direction. You see the arrow mark now? Now you see the image of the arrow mark. The image of the arrow mark is inverted, and here on is appearing and if you see here it is appearing as n and o. So dear children, here these changes are taken place due to what? Due to the change in the direction of the light rays. So when in our previous session we have seen during refraction what happened, when there is a change in the density of the medium according to the optical density, there is a change in the path of the light due to change in the speed of the lights, or due to change in the wavelength of the light wave. Okay. So these light waves, how do they bend? Or in what direction they bend? That discussion will be continued now. Now let us take a light ray is traveling from rarer medium to, here we will discuss few cases. Case 1, light ray is traveling from rarer to denser medium, and denser medium is denser medium is concave. Light rays traveling rarer to denser medium is concave. Let us see what happened now. So here I am taking a denser medium, and this is the denser medium, this is the denser medium, and this is the rarer medium. This is the rarer medium and this is the denser medium. Okay, and this is the principal axis. Okay, and this is the light ray parallel to the principal axis, reaching from rarer to denser. Now you have to draw the refracted ray. Now you draw a normal. So if you want to draw a normal, you have to draw a tangent. ఈ tangent draw చేసాం. ఈ tangent draw చేసి, this is the point of incidence. So let us draw a normal here. This is what? Normal. Light ray is moving from rarer to denser. Rarer to denser light ray travel చేస్తే denser లోకి వచ్చేసరికి light ray ఏమవుతుంది? It bends towards the normal. SR it bends towards the normal. So this is the actual path of the light ray. Light ray actual ఎలా pass కావాలి? I am drawing with red color. Light ray original path is this one. Original path of the light ray is this one. But it bends towards the normal. So it bends towards the normal. Right? So what happened here? A light ray which is parallel to the principal axis is bending away from the normal. Away from the principal axis, when it is moving from rarer medium to denser medium. Similarly, if you take another ray, then what happened? It bends to this side. See what happened here? The parallel rays are diverged when the light ray is moving from rarer to denser, and denser is concave. Right? Let us write that case here. Case is rarer to denser, and denser is concave. Then what happened? Light rays are diverged. This is one case. Okay. Now let us take denser to rarer medium. The another case. Or the same case we will write. Same case. Rarer to denser. Case 2. Denser medium is convex. Denser medium is convex. Now see what happens. Light ray is moving from rarer to denser. Denser medium is convex. Now here I am taking a convex surface, and this is the denser medium. This total is the denser medium. Right? This is the denser medium. Okay. Now the light rays are parallel to the principal axis. They incidented on the convex surface. Again the same thing what you have done, you have to do. You have to draw a tangent, and from here you have to draw a normal, and this is the actual path of the light ray. అంటే ఒకవేళ డెన్సర్ మీడియం అనేది లేకుంటే ఈ లైట్ రే ఇలా ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. బట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? ఇట్ బెండ్స్ టువర్డ్స్ నార్మల్. ఎస్ అను రేరర్ నుంచి డెన్సర్ పోయినప్పుడు లైట్ రే బెండ్స్ టువర్డ్స్ ద నార్మల్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద నార్మల్. సో ద లైట్ రే bends towards the normal. So light ray will be bent along this direction. Similarly, here this light ray also will be bent towards the normal. See what happened here? The light rays are converged. ఇక్కడ లైట్ రేస్ ఎట్లా డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం? రిఫ్రాక్టెడ్ రేస్ ఎట్లా డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం? ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే దగ్గర ఒక టాంజెంట్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం. ఆ టాంజెంట్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఒక నార్మల్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం. దెన్ బికమ్స్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్. ఓకేనా? లైట్ రేస్ విల్ బెండ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద నార్మల్. దీని ఒరిజినల్ పాత్ నుంచి ట్రావెల్ కాకుండా ఆ లైట్ రే ఏం చేస్తుంది? నార్మల్ వైపుకు బెండ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు బెండ్ అవుతుంది నార్మల్ వైపుకు? బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ వెలాసిటీ డిక్రీజెస్. like as you have discussed in the previous video. So here light rays are converged. Now see the same case, light rays are moving from rarer to denser, and denser medium is convex, then the light rays are converged. Light rays are converged. Okay, children. Now see the case 3. Now see the case 3. Light rays are moving from denser to rarer, and rarer medium is concave. Just like the previous case, ఒక్కసారి చూస్తూ ఉండండి. ఆ కేసులో చూడండి ఒకసారి. Light rays are moving from denser to rarer medium. ఇది denser medium, ఇదంతా denser medium, right? Denser to rarer medium is concave. This total is the denser medium up to here, and this is what rarer medium. Rarer medium ఎలా ఉంది ఇక్కడ? Concave లో ఉంది, right? Now you take a line which is the principal axis, first line you assume, and this is the incident ray. ఇది incident ray అవుతుంది. Now what to do? We have to draw a tangent. This is the tangent, and we have to draw a normal. Okay, this is the normal N, and we have to draw a refracted ray. When the light ray moves from the denser medium to rarer medium, ఎప్పుడైతే లైట్ రే డెన్సర్ మీడియం నుంచి రేరర్ మీడియం లోకి వెళ్తుందో దాని స్పీడ్ పెరుగుతుంది. పెరిగినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? అది నార్మల్ నుంచి దూరంగా ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ బెండ్స్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద నార్మల్. See, this is the actual path of the light ray. This is the actual path. So it bends away from the normal. Away from the normal అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? It bends like this. Similarly, if you take this ray will bend towards it. These are the most important cases wherein with respect to the final exam also. See here, when the light ray is moving from denser to rarer medium is concave, then the light rays are what? Converged. Write that case here clearly. Denser to rarer, and rarer medium is concave. Then what happened? Light rays are converged. Light rays are converged. Now the same thing we'll draw by taking another case. Case 4. Denser to rarer medium is convex. Denser to rarer medium is convex. ఇది denser medium. ఇక్కడ నుంచి rarer medium స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. So rarer medium is convex surface, and denser medium is convex. ఇదంతా denser medium ఇదంతా. So light rays నుంచి denser medium నుంచి rarer medium లోకి ట్రావెల్ అవుతుంది. Now see what happened here. Again the same story. Draw a tangent, draw a normal. This is the actual path of the light. This is the actual path of the light. Light ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ట్రావెల్ కావాలి. But what happens here? Denser to rarer, light ray bends away from the normal. Away from the ఇది normal. It was set towards the normal. అటు పోతే away from the normal. So it is bending away from the normal. Similarly, this light ray also bend away from the normal. So this is the fourth case here. So here what happens? Denser to rarer medium, and rarer is convex. Then the light rays are what? Diverged. Okay, light rays are diverged. In all cases, చూడండి ఒకసారి. Light ray is moving from rarer to denser. Denser is concave, diverged. Rarer to denser is convex, converged. Denser to rarer is concave, converged. Denser to rarer is convex, diverged. ఈ 4 cases గుర్తుంచుకోండి. Now based on these 4 cases, we will see the convex lenses and concave lenses. How can we say that a convex lens converges the beam of rays and a concave lens diverges the beam of rays? Let us suppose a convex lens we have taken. Convex lens. Convex lens lo two surfaces biconvex lens. So ఇది కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ యొక్క టూ సర్ఫేసెస్ అనుకుందాం. ఇదేమవుతుంది సార్? ఎయిర్. ఎయిర్ ఈస్ ద రేరర్ మీడియం, లెన్స్ ఈస్ ద డెన్సర్ మీడియం అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద రేరర్ మీడియం. రైట్? ఎయిర్ నుంచి లెన్స్ లోకి, లెన్స్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఎయిర్ లోకి లైట్ రే ట్రావెల్ అవుతుంది. అవునా? నౌ లెట్ us see what happens. ఒక లైట్ రే ఎయిర్ నుంచి లెన్స్ లోకి ప్రవేశిస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎంటరింగ్ ఇంటూ ద లెన్స్. See now, rarer to denser, denser is convex. Rarer to denser, denser is convex. What happens here? Light rays are converged. Rarer to denser, denser is convex. Light rays are converged. Now denser to rarer, light ray ikkadiki aagipoyinda? No, it is continuing into air. So now denser to rarer, rarer is concave. Denser to rarer, rarer is concave. It is again converged. ఇది మళ్ళీ కన్వర్జ్ అవుతుంది. So what happens here? If you take one more ray, the same thing, it converges. Again it is further converges. So what happened? A convex lens converges the beam of rays. A convex lens converges the beam of rays. Similarly, we'll take a concave lens. Are you following, children? కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ కన్వర్జింగ్ ఎట్లా జరుగుతుంది అనేది మనం ఈ 4 కేసెస్ నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. సో హియర్ వాట్ వి ఆర్, లైట్ రే ఈజ్ ఎంటరింగ్ ఇంటూ ద లెన్స్ విచ్ ఇస్ ద డెన్సర్ మీడియం. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రేరర్ మీడియం. హౌ ద డెన్సర్ ఈస్ కాన్వెక్స్. సో ద అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ కేస్ ద లైట్ రేస్ ఆర్ కన్వర్జ్డ్. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ రెండు కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, రేరర్ టు డెన్సర్, డెన్సర్ టు రేరర్. డెన్సర్ టు రేరర్, రేరర్ ఈస్ కాన్కేవ్. Denser to rarer, rarer is concave. Then it is converged again. 2 times converging. So ultimately ఏమవుతుంది? Light rays are converged when you are using a concave lens. Similarly, you see the concave lens. Biconcave lens తీసుకోండి. Concave lens. Concave lens ఏం తీసుకుంటాం మనం? This is the concave surface, this is the concave surface. Now this is the air, this is the lens and this is the air. And ఇది rarer medium, ఇది denser medium, ఇది rarer medium మళ్ళీ. Okay na children. Now you see light ray traveling from rarer to denser. Denser is concave. Rarer to denser, denser is concave. Then the light rays are diverged. See here the light rays are diverged. Original path నుంచి straight గా travel కాకుండా light rays ఏమవుతాయి? They will bend slightly. Okay na? Light ray to rarer to denser, denser is concave. Next ఏమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు? Denser to rarer, rarer is convex. Denser to rarer, rarer is convex. Again it diverges. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ డైవర్జ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇట్లా ప్యారలల్ గా వచ్చిన లైట్ రేస్ ఏమవుతున్నాయి? కాన్కేవ్ సర్ఫేస్ వచ్చేసరికి దే ఫర్దర్ డైవర్జెస్. సో ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ we can say that the convex lenses can converge the beam of rays and concave lenses can diverge the beam of rays. Right children? In our next video, so in this video is totally we engage with this 4 cases. In these 4 cases, when does the light ray converge, when does the light ray diverge, we are discussed. Okay, in our next video we'll discuss the ray diagrams. Thank you very much. Thank you children.